Hey guys, Amy here from Craft Beer Hounds, and just wanted to take a few minutes today to tell you about this nifty little item that we have, our Carabiner bottle opener and flashlight. It's really easy to open bottles with. It's kind of a cool perk. This was an item that was developed by our Chief Product Development Officer, Marley, and she's going to tell you a little bit more about it.
You could put it on your belt, or you could put it on your jacket, or you could put it on your keys. You could put it on your backpack.